Can you say hello? Hello. Hello. He said hello to me. I walked in and I said hello. Hello. Yeah, he said hello too. Hello. Hello. See that? I missed it. He said hello. 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 Oh, are these birds something else? I'm here at the pet store. Well, get food for the dogs. Hello. See, he's saying hello right here. Yeah, he's a good birdie. Look at these nice birds. Aren't they amazing? Yeah. Hello. Ah, scratching himself. He's got a 7-day itch. Yeah, that was easy for you to say. Well, he's scratching himself. He's not saying hello anymore. He's saying hello after one after the other. He's just being shy now that I'm taking video of him. Hello. What was that all about? You want to say hello?
Hi.
Oh, hi. Goodbye.